Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we discuss top 100 GK MCQ in history. So let's start. First question is, who among the following was called as father of Indian Renaissance? The right answer is option D, Raja Rammohan Rai. Question number 2. Who was the first European to translate the Bhagavad Gita into English? The right answer is option B, Charles Wilkins. The Asiatic Society was established in Kolkata by the right answer is Sir William Jones. The first weekly Bengali newspaper Samachar Darpan was published by correct answer is Marsman. Option C, Marsman. Which was the first newspaper to be published in India? Correct answer is option B, Bengal Gazette. The founder of Boy Scouts and Civil Guides movement in India was option D, Baden Powell is the right answer. Who was the first Indian to get selected in ICS? Option A, the right answer, Surendranath Banerjee. The first Governor General of Bengal was option D, Warren Hastings is the right answer. The title of Governor General was changed to that of Viceroy in the year is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. Dev Samaj was founded by Shiv Narayan Agnihotri. So, option C is the right answer. Question number 11. Who among the following started the first newspaper in India? Right answer is option C, James A. Hickey. Question number 12. The oldest surviving newspaper in India is the option A, Bombay Samachar is the right answer. Who remarked the bones of the cotton weavers are bleaching the plains of India? The right answer is William Bentinck. Which of these was were associated with Bombay Association? The right answer is option number C, both A and B. The maximum work in popularizing female education in the 19th century was done by Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. So option A is the right answer. Which of the following prominently fought for and got widow marriage legalized? The right answer is option B, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. The first writer to use Urdu as the medium of poetic expression was option A is the right answer, Amir Khusro. Shuddhi movement was started by Swami Dayanand Saraswati. The leader of the Young Bengal movement was Henry Vivian Deroggio, who is known as the Grand Old Man of India. Right answer is option D, Dadabhai Naraji. Which one of the following upheavals took place in Bengal immediately after the revolt of 1857? Right answer is Indigo disturbance. Who was the leader of Pune Sarvajainik Sabha founder in 1870? Correct answer is option B, Justice Renard. Who gave the motto "Go back to the Vedas"? Option C is the right answer, Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Uplift of the backward classes was the main program of the Satyasodhak Samaj. Is the right answer. The practice of sati was declared illegal by Lord William Bentinck. Who was among the following was responsible for the revival of Hinduism in the 19th century? Right answer is option A, Swami Dayanand. Question number 27. The the first Bengal political drama which presented the story of the brutality of English indigo planeters was. The right answer is option C, Nil Darpan. The reform movement among the Muslims started by Sir Said Khan is known as movement Aligarh. India for the Indians was the political message of. Option A, Dayanand Saraswati. Raja Rammohn Rai and David Hare were associated with the foundation of the Hindu College. Who was the founder of the Radha Swami Satsang? Option B is the right answer, Shiva Dayal Sahib. The original name of Swami Dayananda Saraswati was Mula Shankar. Where was the Arya Samaj set up for the first time in 1875? Option C, Bombay. Indian National Congress found wide acceptance initially among educated middle class. Vande Mataram was first sung at the session of the Indian National Congress in 1904. The first session of the Indian National Congress was held under the presidency of W.C. Banerjee. The first Muslim president of Indian National Congress was Badruddin Taibji. Who was the first Englishman to preside over a Congress session? George Yule. Who among the following never became president of Indian National Congress? Option B, BG Tilak. One could not term as a moderate. Option D, Bipin Chandra Pal. In 1889, a British committee of the Indian National Congress was started. Who was its chairman? W. Wedderburn. The Bombay Triumvirate consisted of all following except Dadabhai Naroji. Which of the following was associated with the Indian Association? Option C, both A and B. The Governor General of Fort William became the Governor General of India under the Charter Act of 1833. Which of the following governors of Bengal committed suicide in 1774? Option B, Robert Clive. The Vernacular Press Act was passed by Lord Lytton. The Rautari system is Madras introduced by Lord Lytton. A bill in the Imperial Legislative Council for compulsory and free primary education was introduced by option D, G.K. Gokhale. A public works department was set up in India by Lord Dalhousie. Which of the following land tenure system was introduced by Lord Cornwallis? Option C, Jamindari. Lord Warren Hastings was not associated with option C, Afghan War. Under which one of the following system of assessment the British government collected revenue directly from the farmers? Option B, Raut Wari. The first Indian university opened in 1857 was in Calcutta. The system of budget was introduced in India during the Viceroyalty of Canning. Who followed the policy of masterly inactivity towards Afghanistan? Sir John Lawrence. The first census was conducted in India at the time of Lord Mayo. Who was the head of the committee formed by the government to inquire into Jallianwala Massacre? Hunter. When was the monopoly of East India Company in trade brought under the control of the British Crown? Option A 70-73 AD. Who among the following was impeached in England for his action in India? Option B Warren Hastings. Who was known as the Liberty of the Press? Option C Metcalfe. Who was responsible for the introduction of English as the official language in India? Sir Charles Wood. The first Indian Council Act was passed in 1861. The first main British parliamentary regarding East India was Regulating Act. The doctrine of lapse was introduced by Lord Dalhousie. Who among the following is associated with the Local Self Government Act reform? Who was the first Indian to become the member of British Parliament? Dadabhai Naroji. Who among the following Englishmen was follower of Gandhiji in South Africa? Option B Pollock. Who said good government was never a good substitute for self government? Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Who said Bengal united is a power, Bengal divided will pull several different ways? Rajli. The name of the periodical among the following published by Mahatma Gandhi during his stay in South Africa? Indian Opinion. Who among the following wrote the book A Nation in the Making? Surendranath Banerjee. Which of the following laid the foundation of the British Civil Services of India? Lord Cornwallis. The system of open competition through examination for entering the civil services was introduced in 1953, sorry, 1853. Who among the following started the Public Works Department in India in AD 1848? Lord Dalhousie. Who among the following was associated with suppression of thugs? Captain Sleeman. Where did Mahatma Gandhi first try the weapon of Satyagraha? South Africa. Who among the following was thrice elected president of the Indian National Congress? Dadabhai Naroji. During whose viceroyalty Queen Victoria was crowned with Kaisar-i-Hind in Delhi, Dundar, Lytton. Which reformer Maharashtra was known as Lokita Badhi? Option D. Gopal Hari Deshmukh. The Sepoy revolted openly in 1857 at Meerut. Who was known by the sobriquet of Mahakpari during the 1857 revolt? Jinnat Mahal. The real name of Tantia Tope was Ramchandra Panduranga. Who was the British PM at the time of revolt 1857? Palmerston. Rani Lakshmibai died fighting the British in the Battle of Kalpi. The Mughal ruler Bahadur Shah too was exiled by British and sent to Mandalay. The best and bravest of the military leader of the rebels. This was said by Sir Hugsroj about Rani of Jhansi. During the 1857 revolt, who captured Gwalior from the Sindhia? Rani Lakshmi Bai. Dhandupant is better known as Nana Sahib. The Treaty of Amritsar was concluded between Maharaja Ranjit Singh and who of the following? Lord Minto. In which one of the following cities was the East India Association founded by Dadabhai Naraji in 1866? London. Who among the following was the first Governor General of India? Lord William Bentinck. Who among the following founded in East India Association? Dadabhai Naraji. Who among the following Peshwar was properly known as Nana Sahib? Balaji Bajirao. The rulers of which one of the following states was removed from power by the British on the pretext of misgovernance? Awadh. Who was the first Chief Justice of the Supreme Court at Calcutta established under the Regulating Act of 1773? Elijah Impey. Two famous leaders, Siddo and Kanu, of civil uprising during Indian freedom struggle belonged to which community? Santhal. Which one among the following states was first annexed by Lord Dalhousie under the doctrine of lapse? Satara. Who among the following had started Mitramela Association? Vinayak Damdar Savarkar. Today's last question. The circulation of chapatis and red lotuses is associated with option A, the revolt of 1857. So it was today's last question. Thanks for watching. Thank you.